How to make everyone can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and click profile here, and now click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and here you will find the privacy. Click on it, and now here you will find comments. Click on it, and then you will find it here or here. Just click everyone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.